How to create Signal account. So if you want to create a Signal account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you've installed the Signal application from your Play Store or your App Store. And after that, once you've installed, you need to launch your Signal application. Once you launch the application, go with Continue, which is on the bottom, and then allow the permissions, tap on Next, allow the access to the notifications, phone calls, and you need to enter the mobile number. So enter the phone number, tap on Continue, which is on the bottom, and tap on OK, and you will receive a verification code to the mobile number that you've just entered. So you need to enter the verification code right here, and after that you need to go with OK, and then you need to enter your first and last name, and you can also add some images or your profile picture, and then go with Next, which is on the bottom right, and you need to create your PIN. Go with Next, and again confirm your PIN. And that's it, your account has been created. So that's how you can create your Signal account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.